Rolling.
Bird Gang by comedian Big Funny and Niagara
Run the lights, every goddamn thing, man. By the Hard Rock Cafe. You see that shit? Yeah, Hard Rock Cafe. Oh shit, let me get my ass down the street. Don't want to get ran over. Dude looking like, get your black ass out the street, no. I don't whoop his ass, he called me there, call me Niagara. Like, nah. Which way you want to go to? That shit up there? Alright. Goddamn birds, told y'all gang, man. Fuck pigeons, they the cook pigeon ass.
Look at all those chickens.
What?
Gang. What's up, bird gang? Brr. Where you going, man? Come here, man. How y'all doing, man? Birdies. They chilling there. He ain't even move over there. Gang. What's up with my boy? Y'all go down this wall for me? Come on. Gang. Come on, man. Where you going there, buddy? How you doing there, man? Where we go? Oh, he snitching on. He telling him, come where you going there, man? Come here, man. I'm just trying to say what's up, man. Fuck it in. All right, shit. They're laughing. Oh, he trying to steal on me and shit. What you yelling at? Let's hold on, man. I'm motherfucker yelling at me, man. Who you yelling at, man? I'm coming back through. Right now, who you talking to? Y'all yelling at me, man? I'm about to come back through up this motherfucker, man. He talking shit. I'm about to come back up there, man. They were there talking shit up here, man. Hold on, man. Gang. Coming back. I came back around. Who the fuck you yelling at? Come here, man. What's up, man? What's that shit y'all was talking, man? Oh, shit. What's up? Come here, man. Shake my hand, man. Gang. What's up, man? These motherfuckers crazy, man. Hey, these damn birds about it, boy. Hey, man, don't jump your ass. Hey, they ain't playing, man. Hey, that's crazy, man. Dude over yelling shit, man. Hey, these goddamn birds nuts, man. They don't give a fuck. They like they're about what the hell over there. Them birds dangerous, they jump people. Oh shit, training birds and shit. Oh. Look, man. He caught the shit in the air. She said, I'm about to caught the bitch down, man. These old thirsty ass begging birds, man. Oh, you still try to go to the store? All right. Come on, man. Get out the way. You don't hear my horn? Get out the way, man. Get your ass out the way. I ain't fighting no more, man. Get out the way, man. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Yeah, them hood birds. Boy, goddamn. That's the first for me, man. I ain't never almost got my ass whooped by some goddamn birds. Some damn birds, man. I almost whooped my ass, man. Hey, I ain't even get it all on that whole video, man. Oh, fuck that. I had to stop. Them little birds about to whoop my ass for real, man. Goddamn.
Estuve daba mi taco me caí al suelo. Yo ya cogía los tacos, los arrastraba.